Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, I'll be talking about 10 hidden features on Amazfit T Rex 3 Pro, and I'll be showing some of my favorite ones later on in this video. So make sure that you watch it till the end. And with that, let's get started. If you go in settings and then go in sound and vibration, here you will see this option called buzzer intensity. So buzzer intensity is basically the sound that the watch makes along with the vibration. And you can set that buzzer intensity low, medium, or high. Moving on, there is also a dedicated battery manager on Amazfit T Rex 3 Pro. So if you go in settings and then scroll down, you will find this battery manager. Now in here you'll get some really crucial features. Basically it tells you about your current battery percentage and then when was it last fully charged. If you scroll down, you can read about how to prolong the battery life, and then it gives you all the important settings that you can turn off to improve or increase the battery life on this watch. And these settings include things like active heart rate monitoring, auto blood oxygen monitoring, auto stress monitoring, assisted sleep monitoring, sleep breathing quality monitoring, always on display, and workout detection. So all of these features use extra battery, and if you don't use any one of these features, you can simply turn them off from here. Then there are some other settings that you can change, things like heart rate monitoring frequency. You can change that. You can change the brightness levels, screen on duration, and all that stuff. And then if you scroll further down, it shows you your usage details, and this is something very few smartwatches do. It tells you your wake on wrist race times, outdoor workouts, how many notifications you got, how many blood oxygen tests you did, and all these other things like screen on time, music playback, Bluetooth calls, and background running apps. So this gives you a very crucial insight into how different apps and different functions are using the battery on this watch. If you go in settings and then go in preferences and scroll down, you will see this feature called glove mode. So if you go in here and enable it, it will basically allow you to use the screen on this watch with gloves with a thickness of 2 millimeters. So you can read about it here. Moving on, you can also change the color profile of the watch, and for that you need to go in settings, then go in display, and here scroll down and you will see this option, screen color style. Go in here. Now by default it's set to natural, but if you scroll to the left you will see this vivid option, and if you set that, you will now get much more vivid and saturated colors on the watch. T Rex 3 Pro comes with a flashlight built into it, and there is also an SOS feature that it comes along. So if you go in quick controls and then scroll to the left, you will see this SOS button here, and if you tap on it, the watch will start flashing the flashlight. And then you can also control the brightness levels of this flashlight and change the color to red as well. And this SOS feature can be turned off using this button here. Moving on, the watch also has built-in screen lock feature. So if you go in settings and then go in preferences, you will see this off wrist lock feature. You can go in here and turn it on. Then you can add a passcode. You can read more about it. When the system detects that the watch is off the wrist, it automatically locks the watch with a passcode. So right now everything works fine. All features are working on this watch. Now let's take it off and see how quickly the watch locks itself. Right, so it's working still, and there you go, it has locked itself. I think it took a couple of seconds to lock the watch. Next up, if you're running out of the battery on T Rex 3 Pro, which might not be quite often, there is a dedicated battery saver mode built into this watch with a twist. So if you go in settings and then go in preferences, here you will see this option, battery saver mode. Go in here, you can turn on the battery saver mode and you can read about it. So it will disable a few things here and there to improve the battery life. But if you want to get the most out of the battery life of this watch, there is also a clock mode with time only feature. So you can go in here and you can read about it. When the clock mode is enabled, the watch can be used to view the time and record steps and basic sleep information. So that's pretty much it. And that is the clock mode on T Rex 3 Pro. It shows you the time, date, steps, and battery, and will also record basic sleep information. To turn it off, you have to long press on this button and that will exit from the clock mode. If you go in settings and then go in workout settings, here you will see this pause button setting. So if you go in here, you can set up how you want to pause the workouts. So you can click this button once to pause the workouts, or you can set it to long press, this button to pause the workouts. Next up, if you live in an area with extreme low temperatures, you can turn on something called automatic low temperature mode. And for that, you need to go in settings, then scroll down, go in preferences, and here, if you scroll down, you will see this automatic low temperature mode. And from here, you can enable it and you can read about it, what it does. So it basically ensures that the watch can be used at an environment temperature of -30 to -10 degrees centigrade, but the touchscreen and certain features cannot be used. After the automatic low temperature mode is enabled, the watch will automatically switch between the low temperature mode and normal mode according to the temperature. The watch needs to restart during the mode switching process. You can also exit the low temperature mode by pressing and holding the back button. Next up, T Rex 3 Pro also comes with a sleep mode that you can turn on from the quick controls by tapping on this button. But there is a hidden feature in sleep mode as well that I want to talk about. So if you go in settings and then go in preferences, and here go in sleep mode, scroll down and you will find something called smart enable. So what this basically does is that it automatically enables sleep mode during sleep while you are wearing the device. This does not affect sleep mode setting in sleep schedule. So if you turn this feature on and you forget to turn on the sleep mode, the watch will detect that you're sleeping and it will automatically turn on the sleep mode for you, which is pretty cool. You can also connect Bluetooth headphones with the Amazfit T Rex 3 Pro. So if you go in settings and then go in Bluetooth, here you will see this option headphones. Go in here and you'll see that your Bluetooth headphones options will appear here. Tap on it and it will connect to your Bluetooth headphones, and now you can listen to music on the watch through your Bluetooth headphones. So that's about it from this video, guys. These were the 10 hidden features that you can do on a Amazfit T Rex 3 Pro. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.